You train hard, but your triceps still look flat? That was me. 30 days ago, I decided to fix it. I worked out my triceps every single day for a month, and the results shocked me. In this video, I'll tell you what I did, what worked, and how my arms changed. No fake hype, no secrets, only real training and effort. If your triceps don't grow, this will help you. First, I focused on the basics. Close grip bench press, dips, and cable pushdowns. 3 moves every day, perfect form. After a week, the pump and tightness were real. You don't need new exercises, you need consistency. Second, I trained smart. 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, controlled motion, full stretch. I didn't chase heavy weight, I chased the burn. Progress came from control, not ego. Third, I ate right. Eggs, oats, peanut butter, milk, and enough calories. Your body needs fuel to grow. If you don't eat enough, your muscles won't grow, no matter how hard you train. Fourth, I recovered. I alternated heavy and light days, slept well, and stretched daily. Your triceps grow when you rest, not during the workout. By week 3, my triceps started showing shape. By day 30, my sleeves felt tighter. That was my proof that effort works. People give up too early. Results come from consistency, not luck. Stay patient, keep showing up, and your body will change. Stop scrolling, start training, do the work, feed your body, and trust the process. Subscribe for more real fitness advice.